the detectives. But if you've seen this look, this is my Roblox. What else I do know? Careful. Please don't you get angry really easily. Why don't you grab a glass of water while we wait? Oh no, I'm so sorry. Look at this mess. Where did he go? I wanna know where he went. Wait. Wait, what mess? Shoot! What are we gonna do? Meg, what the hell did you do? Margaret! Where is it? Clean, Meg, clean. Faster, you idiot! Well, you're getting in trouble. I'm just calling that. You're getting in trouble. Cruise on. Where the hell did you get that? Oh. Oh, well, too late. I'm afraid you have to be wait somewhere else. Wait. What was that? Great, now the dining room. Where the hell is that? Oh, not even allow me to go there. Whoa! This is actually kind of nice.